Today we're going to be making a floating bookcase that you can hang on your wall and have all your books on, because it's a bookcase. That's right, books. And after you cut your lumber to size, these are 4-foot shelves. Then if you didn't make your shelves wide enough, then you got to rip it down with a table saw. But I already had it made to fit the lumber that they already sell, so it takes care of one step. And when it comes to mounting your bookcase on the wall, you just find a stud, use a stud finder, or hit the wall, or whatever you like to do. And put one side in right about where you want it. Put holes in and the holes that you drilled, and then get the second piece and get a 4-foot level. You can go longer. I wouldn't go shorter than 4 feet. I mean, you can go 3 foot, but I like 4 feet. It looks good. And then you're gonna put it here, hold the level, and with this one already secured to the wall, you run the level across, make sure it's level. Put one screw in, and then use a torpedo level and make sure that you're plumb, and put your next screw in. Here's the final product as seen in the little intro. This is the one I made before I made a video about it. I made the second one as a gift for somebody. So same exact frame, I just have hardwood lumber on mine instead that I picked up from my local lumber yard. And it was already the right size, it's already smooth all the way around. They just cut it in half for me and it was good to go. And the nice thing about a design like this is it is expandable. You can always make more brackets. You can always move the brackets farther apart as long as the wood you use for shelves is strong enough to support the weight of the books. So that's another reason I went with the hardwood. The softwood's fine, especially being closer, but if I wanted to stretch these out with the hardwood, I'd feel 6 feet, 8 feet even is perfectly fine. But if you're just going to be using that common board from Home Depot, 4 feet's probably the max. And that's what I had on here originally, and it still started to sag after about a month. So I went out and got the hardwood, and it holds up a lot better. There hasn't been any sagging yet, and I don't think there will be. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thanks for watching.